So gorgeous. Yeah.
What?
It's your time. Oh, this feels like a little video game. We survived the waterfall, but I don't know about the walk back up. Oh me, oh my. Look how beautiful. Oh. Sorry about that. They're struggling. Look how beautiful.
Oh, I'm getting nervous.
Say hi, every pony.
Hi, everyone. Hi.
What is that?
Well, what do we add to Heat Max?
And they close.
They're closed in 2 minutes.
Why are you so close? Look how deep she is. Hey y'all, I'm back from the Chillis, and while we were there before we left, some guy came up to all of us and he was like, hey, do you guys drive a... I'm shaking. Oh my god. Do y'all drive a pink Scion XB? Which, first of all, why are we full naming my car? I didn't even know that's the full name of it. I did, but I just find it funny when people say the full name. And he was like, do you drive that? And I was scared. I was scared that someone did something to my car, that someone came up and like fucked it up. I thought someone like drove on top of it or something. I thought he was about to come and admit something, but no, he just really liked the car, and apparently he has like 68 of them or something. I don't know, but he was nice and he talked to us, and then I drove home. So thank you guys for watching my little, well, it's not a weekend because this was a Monday, but my little vlog. Thank you, bye.